How to view your payment history on Capital One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to review your recent payments or bill history, well here is how you can view your payment history on Capital One using a desktop browser. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the sign in button at the top right corner. And after that, on the next page, simply enter your account credential to log in to your account. And there, once logged in, simply select the account you want to check, whether it's your checking, savings, or credit card account. And after that, you can simply look for the transaction activity or payments tab, and this section shows a full list of past payments including the dates, amounts and the payment method. So there you can also filter by date range or search by keyword to quickly find a specific payment you are looking for. And if you need a copy for your record, you can often download or print your payment history directly from this page. And that's it. That's how you can view your payment history on Capital One. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.